Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. There is an important update. It's regarding NEET PG 2022 schedule. Not for All India quota. We already have received All India quota schedule for all the rounds. The schedule is important because it mentions about the schedule for a state counseling. Now you would be wondering that how the state counseling schedule can be single. So from last year, uh, the counseling is happening in the pattern of sequential counseling. It means the all India round 1 will start, okay, and it will finish. Then state counselings. So there are multiple states, open states and closed states. So all the states, whether it's open or closed state, all the state will start the counseling after all India result, or they may start after the choice filling, the registration process. But the choice filling will start after the result is published. Then after all India round 1, state round 1 is done, then all India round 2 will happen, which will be followed by state round 2, then all India mop up, which will be followed by state mop up, and then state vacancy will be conducted. So the schedule here, as you can see, schedule for admission first round of counseling all India 15 to 27th, and deemed university central institutes, it is part of central counseling, that is all India counseling. And state counseling will be starting from 25th of September and it will go on until 4th of October. Okay, and the last date of joining for all India is 4th October, and for a state counseling it will be 8th of October. So within 25 to 8th, all the state, whether it's Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttarakhand, Kerala, or any other state, West Bengal, they need to conduct their first round. Second round of counseling, it will be starting from 10th for all India, and it will go on until 18th. Then after choice filling is done for round 2, then state counseling will start for round 2, and all the state must complete their process between 15th to 26th. Okay, and the last date of joining is declared as 2nd of November. Okay, then mop up round will start. First mop up for all India will happen between 31st October to 8th November, and then a state will follow all India mop up, and between 9th of November to 14th of November, all the state must complete their mop up round. Last date of joining for the state counseling of mop up round is 17th of November, and then a state vacancy will be conducted. Okay, different state have different rules for state counseling, and the last date of joining for the state or all India counseling for the last round, that is the state vacancy round, is 25th of November. And the commencement of the academic session for PG course, when the PG course session is going to start for 2022, is 20th of October. So from 20th of October your session is going to start. Okay, so it's very clear cut schedule. Okay, and it's very important for all of you who are looking to participate in all India counseling as well as the state counselings. Maybe you are targeting Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, or your other like Maharashtra state. So this is the schedule between 25th to 4th of 25th of September to 4th of October. All the state must complete their counseling process. If some of the state, in exception, they get delayed, that's another case, but mostly they will follow this schedule only. Okay, so if you are still looking for the paid counseling guidance, so this is the last phase of the paid counseling when you want to avail, because once the choice filling gets started, then if you won't be having much time, even we won't have much time. So you need to take decision right now if you want to go for paid counseling guidance. And if you want to do the counseling on your own, then you must have all the details, all ideas, or the analysis, so that you don't miss out or don't do any mistake. Okay, so thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.